All right, let's talk about something that drives traders crazy. Have you ever jumped into what looks like a perfect breakout, only to have the price just slam back down and stop you out like instantly? It is one of the most brutal feelings. Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on that exact setup. I'm going to show you why it happens, who's behind it, and most importantly, how you can stop being the victim and start using it to your advantage. Let's get into it. Okay, real quick, got to get the legal stuff out of the way. Just remember, everything here is for your education. Trading is seriously risky business, so this is not financial advice. Please do your own homework before you ever put a dime on the line.
Man, does this hit home or what? You see this quote and you just know it's true. It feels personal, doesn't it? Like the market's out to get you. And you know what? In a way, it is. This isn't just random noise. This is a planned-out maneuver designed to prey on exactly what most traders are taught to do.
So the big question is, how do we get on the right side of this? How do you stop being the one who gets trapped? Well, the good news is, once you can see the trap, you can avoid it. Better yet, you can learn to trade it. We're going to break down the institutional playbook so you can finally flip the script on them.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll break down the trap itself. Then, we're going to peek behind the curtain and see exactly why the big players set this up. After that, I'll give you 4 specific clues to spot it in real time. Then we get to the fun part, a simple plan for trading the reversal. And we'll wrap up with a pro-level tip to really seal the deal. Sound good? Let's go.
All right, Section 1, the daily trading trap. So what are we even talking about here? It all revolves around 2 indicators that you probably already have on your charts, but institutions, well, they use them in a totally different way. First up, we've got VWAP. Think of this as the true average price for the day, because it takes volume into account. For big institutions, this line is everything. It's their benchmark for fair value. If they can buy below it and sell above it, they're winning. Price is just constantly drawn to this thing like a magnet.
And its partner in crime is the 50 EMA. When price stretches too far away from VWAP, it often finds the 50 EMA acting like a giant cushion or a trampoline. This is the spot where price gets repelled, where the trap is often sprung, and where the real intended move actually kicks off.
And this right here, this is the whole game. See, most retail traders look at VWAP and think, okay, price is above, I'm a buyer. Price is below, I'm a seller. It's a simple line in the sand. But for institutions, oh no. For them, it's a tool. It's an area where they can engineer moves to hunt for what they need most. Okay, so let's pull that curtain back. Why do they bother doing this? Why create these sharp, confusing stop-run reversals? The answer is actually pretty simple, and it's the single most important concept in the market.
Liquidity. That's it. It all comes down to liquidity. Look, if a giant hedge fund wants to buy 1 million shares of a stock, they can't just click buy. The price would explode upwards before their order was even close to being filled. They need sellers, lots of them. So, if there aren't enough sellers, they have to create them. And here's exactly how they do it. First, they let the price break out. Eager traders pile in, buying the breakout. And where do they all put their stop losses? Right, just below the breakout area. This creates a big, juicy pool of stop loss orders, which are really just sell orders. The institutions then push the price down just enough to trigger all those stops. This sudden rush of selling, well, that's what they use to fill their own massive buy orders. And once they've filled their bags, that's when the real move begins.
Okay, so that's the what and the why. Now for the most important part, the how. How do you spot this happening in real time before you get caught? I want you to look for 4 specific clues. Think of it as your trap spotting checklist.
Clue number 1, VWAP rejection. You see price poking at VWAP again and again, but it just can't seem to get going. Clue 2, it's hanging out in what I call the danger zone, that space between VWAP and the 50 EMA. Clue 3, and this is a big one, you see a sudden, massive spike in volume on a candle that moves against the trend. That's the stop hunt in action. And finally, clue number 4, your signal. A big, strong candle that closes back toward VWAP. That's the trap snapping shut and the reversal beginning. All right, so you've seen the 4 clues. The trap is set. Now what? Now you stop being the prey. Now you become the hunter. Here's a simple, repeatable plan to actually trade this setup.
The plan is straightforward. Step 1, your entry. You get in on the close of that big confirmation candle we just talked about. Step 2, your stop loss. You place it just outside the wick of that candle that flushed everyone out. This keeps your risk super tight. And step 3, your targets. First target is a retest of VWAP. If you get through that, you can aim for the other side of the range or new intraday highs.
So let's just recap that. A clean entry on confirmation, a well-defined, tight stop-loss to manage your risk, and clear profit targets. See how this works? It's a high-probability, low-risk setup. This is how you start trading with the real, defined edge, instead of just reacting to the noise.
Now, if you really want to take this to the next level, if you want to trade this setup with a ton of confidence, there's one more layer you can add to your analysis. This is the pro-level stuff right here.
Here's the pro tip. As you see this trap forming on the chart, start looking at things like unusual options flow or dark pool prints. Are you seeing huge, bullish call option orders hit the tape right as the market is flushing out the longs? That's your green light. That's the ultimate confirmation that big money is engineering this move. That's how you truly level the playing field.
So the main thing I want you to take away is this. Next time you see price getting all choppy and crazy around VWAP and the 50 EMA, don't panic. Don't get chopped up. Take a step back and realize what you're seeing. That isn't random noise. That's the signature of an institutional trap being set. And for you, that's an opportunity. So I gotta ask you, think about your own trading. Have you been caught in this trap before? I know I have, plenty of times. Be honest. And more importantly, after watching this, do you feel ready to finally flip the script on them? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. Hey, if this gave you a real aha moment, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for Elite Trader Radar. My whole goal here is to pull back the curtain and show you the kind of strategies Wall Street really doesn't want you to know about. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you in the next one.